Ever wondered what the difference between ADSL and ISDN is? Well, you're about to find out. ADSL and ISDN are two types of digital subscriber lines that play a crucial role in our digital world. They're the unsung heroes that keep us connected, allowing us to browse the web, stream our favorite shows, and transfer data at lightning speeds. But as is the case with any technology, they're not created equal. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and are used in different situations. ADSL, or asymmetric digital subscriber line, is an analog line that modulates digital data into higher frequency analog signals. On the other hand, ISDN, or integrated services digital network, is a fully digital line that delivers digital signals. As we delve deeper into these two technologies, we'll unravel how they work, their advantages, and where they're most effectively used. So, stay tuned to understand these two important types of digital subscriber lines. First up, let's delve into ADSL. ADSL, or asymmetric digital subscriber line, is a type of digital subscriber line technology, a data communication technology that enables faster data transmission over copper telephone lines than a conventional voice band modem can provide. It does this by utilizing frequencies that are not used by a voice telephone call. As the name suggests, ADSL is asymmetric. This means that download and upload speeds are not the same. Typically, the download speed is much higher than the upload speed. This characteristic of ADSL is quite practical, as most internet users tend to download more data than they upload. So, how does ADSL work? Well, ADSL transforms your existing copper telephone lines into a high-speed digital line. It achieves this by dividing these lines into separate channels for telephone calls, uploads, and downloads. The division allows you to use the internet and make phone calls simultaneously, a feature that's quite advantageous for businesses and homes alike. But as with anything, ADSL isn't perfect. One of its main disadvantages is that the speed of your connection decreases the further you are from the telephone exchange. If you're in a rural area, ADSL might not be the best option for you. Additionally, while ADSL is faster than dial-up, it's slower than most fiber optic connections. Another important aspect to note is that ADSL uses an analog line where digital data is modulated into analog signals. The digital data is converted into analog signals whose carrier frequency is much higher than the telephony maximum frequency. This allows ADSL to use the same line as your telephone while providing a high-speed internet connection. ADSL has been quite revolutionary, enabling high-speed internet access in homes and businesses around the world. While it may not be the fastest or most reliable option available today, ADSL has played a crucial role in the evolution of internet technology. So that's ADSL in a nutshell. Now let's move on to ISDN. ISDN, short for Integrated Services Digital Network, is a type of digital subscriber line technology. It's a system of digital phone connections that has been allowing data to be transmitted simultaneously across the world using ordinary telephone wires. Quite a feat, wouldn't you say? ISDN uses circuit switching to establish a physical permanent point-to-point connection from the source to the destination. Essentially, it's like having a direct line between two telephones that's open and ready to transmit data whenever you need it. This is a significant departure from traditional dial-up connections, which require a new connection each time data is sent. ISDN is a digital line, meaning the signal pumped through the cable is a digital signal. This is important because digital signals are less susceptible to noise and interference compared to analog signals. So, with ISDN, you're likely to experience clearer voice calls and more stable data transmission. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows with ISDN. Despite its benefits, ISDN also has its share of limitations. One major drawback is that it requires a dedicated line for each connection, which can become quite costly if you're running a large operation. Moreover, the maximum speed of ISDN is relatively low compared to other types of broadband connections. Yet, ISDN has been the backbone of business communications for a long time, offering a level of reliability that was hard to beat. It's also worth noting that ISDN is capable of supporting a wide range of services, including voice, video, and data services, all on a single line. In essence, ISDN represents a step up from traditional telephony, providing digital transmission over traditional copper telephone wires. It opened the door to the world of digital communication and set the stage for the high-speed internet connections we enjoy today. So far we have explored ADSL and ISDN separately. Time to compare ADSL and ISDN. Let's first talk about ADSL. Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line, or ADSL, is a type of broadband that uses copper telephone lines to provide internet access. It's called asymmetric because it offers faster download speeds than upload speeds, making it a perfect choice for those who primarily consume content rather than create it. On the other hand, we have Integrated Services Digital Network, or ISDN. ISDN was designed to move outdated landline technology into the digital age. It provides a digital line, allowing voice, video, and data services to be transmitted simultaneously over the same line. When it comes to speed, ADSL generally offers faster download speeds, with maximum speeds reaching up to 24 megabits per second. On the flip side, ISDN provides consistent speeds for both uploading and downloading, but the maximum speed is much lower, typically around 128 kilobits per second. As for reliability, both ADSL and ISDN are reliable options. However, ADSL is subject to distance limitations. The further you are from the exchange, the slower your connection will be. ISDN, on the other hand, offers consistent speeds regardless of distance. In terms of cost, ADSL is generally a cheaper option. ISDN, while offering some unique benefits, is often more expensive due to the digital services it provides. Now let's talk about usage. ADSL is a popular choice for home and small business users due to its high download speeds and lower cost. ISDN is often used by larger businesses that need a reliable connection for voice, video, and data services. To sum it up, both ADSL and ISDN have their own unique features and uses. ADSL offers faster download speeds and is generally cheaper, making it a popular choice for home users. ISDN, while slower and more expensive, provides consistent speeds and the ability to transmit voice, video, and data services over the same line. ADSL and ISDN, while similar in some respects, have distinct differences. Now let's wrap up what we've learned. We started our journey into the world of digital communication with ADSL and ISDN, two technologies that have been instrumental in shaping the way we connect and communicate. We've delved into their workings, their pros and cons, their similarities and their differences. Now it's time to bring all these threads together to form a clear picture. ADSL, or Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line, as we've discovered, is a type of broadband connection that allows for high-speed data transmission over standard telephone lines. The beauty of ADSL lies in its asymmetry. This means it offers faster download speeds than upload speeds, which aligns well with most internet users' needs who consume more data than they send. On the other hand, we have ISDN, or Integrated Services Digital Network. Unlike ADSL, ISDN is a set of communication standards for simultaneous digital transmission of voice, video, data, and other network services over traditional circuits of the public switch telephone network. It offers symmetrical data transmission, meaning that it provides equal speeds for both uploading and downloading data. This makes ISDN a great choice for businesses and professionals who require high upload speeds for tasks such as video conferencing or large file uploads. Now, it's important to understand that neither ADSL nor ISDN is inherently superior to the other. Instead, the choice between the two should be based on your specific needs and circumstances. For example, if you're a casual internet user who primarily uses the internet for browsing, streaming, and downloading, ADSL would likely meet your needs perfectly. However, if you're running a business from home, or if you're a heavy internet user who frequently uploads large files or engages in high-definition video conferencing, then ISDN might be a more suitable choice. Moreover, you might want to consider the infrastructure available in your area. ADSL is more widely available and generally cheaper than ISDN, but ISDN can offer greater reliability and quality of service, which can be crucial for business applications. To sum it up, ADSL and ISDN are two different types of digital communication technologies, each with its own strengths and ideal use cases. ADSL is typically suited for residential use, where download speed is often more important than upload speed. ISDN, however, is often a better fit for business or professional use, where symmetrical upload and download speeds are needed. The key here is to understand your own needs and to match them with the technology that best fulfills those needs. And now, armed with the knowledge of ADSL and ISDN, you're well equipped to make that decision. Now, you should have a clear understanding of ADSL and ISDN. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.